Hey guys, it's me here again from Infinite Build. Today I will show you how to build an indoor air plant garden frame. It's super easy, super simple. Let's do it.
I started out by cutting bevel on 1x4s. Make sure that you cut to the right length for all the pieces because they all need to be square up against each other. You should have 2 long pieces and 2 short pieces. On one of the long pieces, you're gonna mark 5 points on the center of equal distance from each other. We are going to drill in pilot hole on these points. When you are drilling pilot holes, make sure you don't drill in too much because the hook are short. I ordered a pack of mini hooks from Amazon. They are 1/2 inch. After that, you're gonna glue all the pieces together using a wood glue. I use Titebond 2 in this case. After you glue them, make sure you tighten it with a tie-down strap and leave it overnight to dry. The next day, I took off the tie-down strap and then sand lightly over the piece. After sanding, I apply a coat of spar urethane which protect the project from water and UV. I ordered these planters from AliExpress. They are minimalistic and aesthetic. I will put the link to buy these in the description section. These planters are very versatile. You could put air plants, succulents, or just any kind of herb. I really like how the project turned out. I like the white with the green and the wood texture. They all match together very well.
If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time, peace out.